What is up, you guys? Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me for another video. Today I am bringing you the next video in my 5 Amazon finds series. This is going to be featuring items for the home. As always, I will have links for all of the items mentioned in this video down in the description box below. Let's jump right in and get started. All right, first up is my frother. This thing is amazing. I use this multiple times throughout the week, primarily for my coffee to give it a nice frothy taste or texture. It works really well, it does the job, but I have also found that using this for adult beverages just to give everything a nice good mix works really well also. This is super easy to operate. You just press this top button up here and then this metal whisk will get everything that you need mixed up really nicely. It comes with this little stand here so that the bottom doesn't touch. It's nice and lightweight. Here you can see the brand. I know there's so many different brands and companies that you could purchase these from, but this is the one that I went with. There are tons and tons of color options for these. Very easy, definitely worth the small investment. Next up, I have this little cookbook. It is True Comfort, written by Kristen Cavallari. I have already used this for several recipes and they've turned out really good. I also really like the simpleness of the cover. It's a nice neutral bright look to the cover and the spine, which I can definitely appreciate when it comes to like the decor aspect of my house. The contents inside I really have enjoyed, and then the overall look on the outside. Next up, I have these trash buckets. I have the black and the white. These are our garbage cans in the bathrooms. On one side, they are completely plain, and then on the other side, you can see that they just say trash bucket on them. I thought that these were really cute. They definitely go with the vibe of our house. I also really like the little handle. I just think that these are really cute and they definitely add a fun little twist to a regular trash can. Next up, I have the MVP of our entire household. This is our Eufy robovac. It doesn't look the cleanest, it doesn't look the newest, but we've had it for over a year now, and this thing is just such a champ. As you guys may or may not know, we have 4 dogs in our house. One who sheds a ton. We have a husky, a Boston Terrier, a boxer, and a Chihuahua. So the husky alone produces so much hair, and this thing does its absolute best to keep up with all of that and make my job a whole lot easier. If I'm home all day and I'm able to consistently charge it when it needs to be charged, I can have this do at least 2, if not 3 full cycles within a day. The amount of dust, dirt, hair that this thing collects has been so worth the investment. Just pushing this little button daily makes me feel like I did at least something. Off it goes. The model that I got comes with this little remote, and with the remote you are able to set an automatic on and off time or start time. Are able to move the unit to go the direction that you need it to go. You can start and stop it. I am always recommending family, friends, neighbors get a device like this. I know there's a few different brands now that make these, but they are just really nice to help maintain the floors, especially with dogs and kids and just everything that gets tracked inside from the outside that you want cleaned up. This is an all-time favorite item of ours from Amazon. Next up, I have these little hooks, and these hooks have been so universal for us in our house. As you can see here, I have them hanging on the inside of this little cabinet here in our kitchen. You can hopefully see in the back there, I have a couple more of them stored back there. So we use don't know, 5 of them here in our kitchen. And then we also use them in our downstairs coat closet. You can see just how durable those are. We have multiple jackets hanging off of them, some bags over here, and these are like heavier jackets, and they have been holding up since last fall, I believe. So they definitely hold a good amount of weight. And then I also have them hanging in our laundry room cabinet to hold some cleaning supplies. So you're able to use these in quite a few places for quite a few items, and all have been a really big help for our home. So that about does it. Thank you so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and join my YouTube family. And if you can give this video a big thumbs up, I would really appreciate that as well. Remember to check for any links for the items that I mentioned in this video. Let me know what category you'd like to see next in the comment section. And I hope to see you all in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.